Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish using coconut leaf. This traditional method infuses your fish with incredible flavor and moisture, creating a truly memorable dish. We'll guide you through selecting the freshest ingredients and preparing them for wrapping. It's a fantastic way to enjoy seafood, bringing a touch of the tropics to your table. Get ready to transform simple fish into an extraordinary meal with just a few easy steps. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. First, choose a firm white fish like a whole snapper or mackerel weighing around 1 pound. Clean it thoroughly and pat it completely dry. Next, make a few shallow scores on both sides of the fish. This helps the flavors soak in. For the marinade, combine finely minced ginger, garlic, a pinch of chili, and the juice of 1 fresh lime. Rub this mixture generously all over your fish, inside and out, letting it sit for at least 15 minutes. With your fish seasoned, it's time to wrap it up. Lay a large, clean coconut leaf flat, then place your marinated fish in the center. Carefully fold the leaf over the fish, ensuring it's completely enclosed. You want a snug parcel to keep all those delicious juices in. Use thin strips of coconut leaf or even natural twine to tie the package securely. Now, you can grill it over medium heat for about 20 minutes per side, or steam it for 30 to 40 minutes until the fish is flaky. Once your fish is perfectly cooked, it's ready to be enjoyed. Present it right in its beautiful coconut leaf wrapper for a stunning visual. Carefully unwrap it at the table, revealing the tender, aromatic fish inside. A squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of chopped cilantro or sliced red chilies add a lovely finish. This dish pairs wonderfully with steamed jasmine rice or a crisp green salad. Feel free to experiment with various fish and your favorite spices for endless delicious possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.